Hey guys, welcome back to the video. And today we're going to be talking about level kits and adjustable shocks and lift kits too, I guess. So before we get into the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. I'm going to try to stay on top of this YouTube stuff, man. It's hard to do when you got a job and all that. But yeah, let's get into it. So just a couple weeks ago, maybe a month ago maybe, I took the level kit off my truck. It was a rough country 2.5 inch. Yeah, the reason why I took that off was because I was breaking parts front and center. Like, it was terrible. And the ride quality too, man, every time I hit a bump, it just went side to side. It actually costed me more money doing that. And instead of paying for a well-known company brand, well, I'm not saying Rock Country's not well-known, I'm just saying it's cheaper option. Never cheap on suspension parts, because it cost me $7,500 and I did a full front-end rebuild and even a rack and pinion because it screwed that up. Because you put components that are at stress that aren't supposed to be at stress. But I mean, that's the chance you take. I know some people live by rough country. I personally hate it now, just because of the experience I had with these level kits. I personally do adjustable shocks. But I mean, yeah, I heard Billsteins, the ride quality was way better. But if you're gonna go over like 2 inches or so, sorry, you might as well just do a lift kit. Yeah, they're more expensive, but you're gonna be getting your best buck out of that thing. And BDS, I don't know, I find BDS is one of the best ones out there. That's my choice. But you can also go with the Zone. Zone and BDS are basically the same thing, just Zone is the cheaper option of it. But I mean, there's so many good reviews about Zone. Even if you watch custom offsets and all that. But yeah, if you're gonna choose a level adjustable shocks or even a lift kit, I would choose a lift kit or adjustable shocks. It's way better. And yeah, that's about it. I will be coming out with more videos, so if you guys stay ahead and watch, I will upload more. But if you guys want to see where the truck's sitting, I'll show you guys. So yeah, here's the truck now. Looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. There's that sticker. I'm gonna be taking that off. You know, I had to put the mirrors back on too because the other one's broke. I don't even know how I returned those, man. They're expensive, those mirrors. It's not like they're cheap for tow mirrors. They're not cheap at all. Anyways, guys, I hope you liked the video. I'm going to be coming out with more, so see you later.